Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. In this video I wanted to show you guys the unboxing of the Chromecast with Google TV. This product was announced in 2020 and I have it now for a while. I will just now try to demonstrate you guys the unboxing experience and what comes inside the box. You can see like I have this ice blue color here. Although the remote and the Chromecast itself, they have a little bit different color. I have this Microsoft Surface Arc mouse. You can see the color is also like this. You can say that this is also one of my favorite colors actually. But unfortunately the Chromecast stays behind the TV, so you don't see it anyway. So just the remote one you see, and it's a little bit light blue, I would say, as a color. There are also some apps here that it supports out of the box, but yeah, now there are more apps now, but that will be the part for the video that I will talk about the software here. Let's open the box to see what comes inside of the box. We have inside of the box, first part, the Chromecast itself, which just connects to the back of your TV. With this HDMI port, so you connect it to the HDMI port, but you need also power output here, some power input here. So you have also to have a power supply. Luckily, this also comes with the power supply inside the box. That's also good actually, that you don't need to have another one at home. So it has a cable here with USB-C to USB-A port. I wish it could be USB-C to USB-C. That's a little bit, I don't know why they did that. Because in my Pixel 4 phone, the cable is USB-C to USB-C and also the charger, but here is USB-A. I don't know what's the reason behind it. And that the charger comes inside the box. That's also nice. Let's put the charger and the cable inside. And what else comes inside the box is the remote. Let's open the remote. And there it is. It's a nice packing, I would say. And you can see the color differences here. I will also compare it with this Arc mouse that I have. You can see the color changes from a little bit dark blue, a little bit lighter, and a little bit lighter here. Inside the box, then you have just like papers, manuals, and stuff. And in the manual, it's written like how can you set up this Chromecast. It's actually easy. You just need to connect it to the HDMI port. Then you have to connect the power here. Then you need to, in your phone, download this Google TV, like the Home app. In the Home app, then there will be automatic like the instruction, how you can set up the mouse, how you can set up the remote. It's also shown exactly. You have to press the button and the volume. It's really clear kind of how you have to do it. And after you set it up, then you will have it also in your Home app, the TV that you set up, and the remote will also work. The remote also will work also in my TV. It works also to increase and decrease the volume. I have a Samsung TV. And also for the turning it off and on, I can also use the switch here for the turn off and then turn on button here. What else we have? We have a kind of buttons here for like right, left, and top and bottom and middle, like to just press like OK. And then you have a button for going back, similar to what you're used to Android, because this Chromecast also comes with the Android 10 installed. It also has 4 GB of storage, so keep that in mind. Then you have also if you press this one, the assistant will be activated, so you can also command your what you want to find, for example, using this button here and using the assistants, Google Assistant. You can click on the home button, it will go back to the home button. You have the volume, like to turn off the volume, and also, as I showed in the side, you have the volume up and down. Then you have 2 buttons here, YouTube and Netflix. The Netflix is clear, but in the YouTube also, if you press and hold it, then you can also select between YouTube Music or the YouTube app. And that also, I found it useful because I usually use also YouTube Music, so I just changed this function for this button. You can switch, turn off and on using this button, and this is a button for the source. So for the TV, if you want to click on this, then automatically go to the source that your the ports that your Chromecast is connected, as you're familiar with different sources, because your TV has different HDMI ports and multiple HDMI ports, so this will automatically find the one that is connected to this Chromecast. And this also works with the battery. Now I have this device for, I don't know, a few months now. I didn't need to change. It also comes with battery pre-installed here. So you don't need to buy new batteries. It already comes with it. And yeah, that was it actually for this impression video. I'm really happy about this device because you can do more than just also like casting now, because you have this Android 10 also there. So you can connect your Bluetooth devices. I connect my headphones, for example, sometimes when I want to watch something, but there's somebody else in the room and they're trying to work, so that can be useful. You can play games using your Bluetooth game pads. You can use the Bluetooth speakers to connect them. That also works. You can typically cast everything using your phone. And you can also, that's also interesting, but if you have a USB-C hub, which has also the power source option. So I have a USB-C hub at home, but this USB-C hub doesn't have any the power source. And because it doesn't have any power source, I will show you guys now. Now this is the USB-C hub I have, but I don't have the power source for it. Unfortunately, the time I bought this, I didn't have this Google TV. Otherwise, I would not buy this. But if you have also power source for this with the USB-C usually, this is from the Anchor, then you can also connect your SD cards or your USB hard drives, and then you can also open your files or manage files or watch some videos that you have in your hard drives using this Google Chromecast here. So that can be also useful for the people who want to watch the videos or listen to the musics that they have in their hard drives. So they can just need to connect the TV and connect the USB that they have, the hard drive, to here. And also the power source here, that's really important because this power source should also port the power here. That's really important. Otherwise you will have a problem because this will connect here. And then you need a power here that supplies power for this and also for the Chromecast itself. That's how it will work. Then you can go to the Android. There are some apps that you can download in the Google TV. And then you need to just download file manager apps, and there you will see all the hard drives that you connected here. So keeping that in mind, that can be also useful if you have already some videos or music that you have on your hard drive and you want to check them out or watch them later. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. That was my first unboxing video for this device. I will do more videos related to Google TV. Please subscribe and stay tuned. I will show the software and also some tricks that I learned through the time, and hopefully in future also the software updates if it comes. Now this is Android 10. We will see if Google will decide to roll out more updates for this device or not. So hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you guys in the next one.